Hi everyone! How are you doing? Hope you all have a good day. So right now it's hot and humid here. So we need air. And today we are going to unbox this Milwaukee Jobsite fan. We bought this in the US and sent it here. So it's a Jobsite fan here in that picture. So without much ado, let's open it up. I removed the tape already, so it will not be hard for me. Yeah. I'm sinking. Let me get up. There you go. It's wrapped. I think we bought this, my husband bought this at Lowe's. Let me see. Make sure if it's Lowe's. It did not say. Or maybe online. I'm not sure now. So this is cordless fan. You don't need any electricity. We always get a lot of brownouts here. It's like maybe 3 to 4 times a week. It's frustrating. So we need air. We need backups for electricity. So this is it. Pancit. Where is the bottom? There you go. That's the size of the fan. It's M18 Milwaukee Jobsite fan. Excuse me. Cat number 0886-20. 18 volts. Milwaukee Jobsite fan. Milwaukee Tool, Brooklyn, Wisconsin, USA. Warning: to reduce the risk of electric shock, do not expose to rain or water. Read operator's manual. Use only M18 battery packs or Milwaukee adapter. So we have M18 here. We're going to try it. We are going to try using it. There's a, I think this is for the electricity, if you want to plug it to electricity, but let me see, I'm not so sure. So this is a portable fan. Oops, the other side there. See, it's nice, small, handy, portable. So let's go get a battery. Let's put it here. Let me see if this is the right one. This is the M18 red lithium CP20 battery. It's also Milwaukee. So you can see there, Milwaukee. Let's plug it in. We'll check if there is power. Yep, there is power. And let's try it. Ooh, it's windy. It feels so good now. So this is the fan. As you can see, it's working. You don't need electricity. You just charge this battery and plug it in, and there you go. It's number 1. Let me see. That's number 1. See? Number 2. Ooh, that's number 2. Number 3. Ah! I'm flying. Number 3. It works very good. So there. That's number 2. Look at my hair. That's number 3. Number 2. number 1. It's like staticky. And that's number 0. Yay! What else in the box? Let me see. Thank you. What else in the box? Let me see. Hold on. We have, what's this? Maybe a cord? Not sure. Yep, it's a cord. So you can plug this in. If you want to save your battery, your charged battery, you can use the cord. It's input 100 to 240 volts. Output is 18 volts. So there you go. It's pretty long cord. Yep. So that's it. If you live in a place like our place that always get blackouts, then this is perfect. This is perfect for you because it really helps a lot. It really does help a lot. That's the only thing I don't like in our place is we get a lot of brownouts. And we are not aware what time. We will just know that the electricity went out, then there you go. Alright, that's it. Milwaukee tool, Milwaukee Jobsite fan. Battery, that battery that I plugged in is not included, only the cord. So you have to buy the battery separately. Okay, so there, I'm gonna show this to you again. So this one is not included, just the fan and the cord here. So buy this separately. The box is small, you can send it to your family. Yeah, it's AC compatible. If you have this, much better, because if there's power outage, you can still use the fan. Thank you very much for watching. Please don't forget to hit like, comment nicely, share, and subscribe. Bye bye. God bless you all.